BKPOWER Technology Co. Limited focuses on the power field and integrates R&D and sales. Based in Shenzhen, it has modern offices with advanced facilities and a professional business environment. We work closely with R&D institutions and technical teams. Driven by independent innovation, it explores and develops power products to meet market demands. By introducing, absorbing, and re-innovating technologies, it has launched competitive products like UPS, voltage stabilizers, transformers. These high-efficiency and stable products provide reliable power for industries with a professional sales team and market insight. BKPOWER's products are widely used in multiple fields, including steel, machinery, metallurgy, petrochemicals, ports, oil, natural gas, power, and banking. It offers comprehensive pre-sales in services, earning customer trust and praise. Looking ahead, BKPOWER will keep up with the times, strengthen technological cooperation and innovation, expand its product line, and improve service quality. It aims to become a more influential power supplier and provide superior power solutions for global customers.